Welcome to Spotahome, Dublin. My name is Nika. Today we are in the courtyard, and that is right in city center. And well, you got everything, shops, bus, luas, everything really close. You're 5-minute walking from O'Connell Street, so it's very well located. We are in a fourth floor, and let me show you around. So you come up the steps, you got a lift. And that is the view. And here you come into the apartment. And this is the main hall. And first here to your right, you've got the first bedroom number 1. And you've got a single bed here. This is the view. And this is the closet. Alright, so now let's take a look at bedroom number 2. And here you've got a double bed. And 2 tables. 2 desks, and a closet. It's a pretty big closet, so you can see. Okay, so now here in the front you've got the bathroom. You've got a heater inside the bathroom, got 2 actually, and you got the shower. And now here you've got the kitchen and the living room and the 3rd bedroom. So let's take a look at the bedroom. So here we got bedroom number 3, and you got a single bed. And you got a closet here and some drawers. And a small little window. Okay. So now to the kitchen and the living room. So you got the kitchen over here. And you got the oven. And washer and dryer, and the fridge, and the living room. Got the table, and a sofa, and a balcony. So that is a view from the balcony. It's a complex, and it's a gated complex. So that's it. Alright, that's all for now. I hope this video has been helpful. And if you have any questions or queries, just send us an email. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.